Alright, what's going on, everybody? So today I'm gonna be working on the integra a little bit since it's nice weather outside right now. It's not too hot. I've been pretty lazy to work on the cars today, or not today, but like past couple weeks because it's been hot, but it's finally cooling down. And today I'm gonna take off the cruise control. I'm gonna take it off because I have no use for it anymore. Because I have the Type R steering wheel, which doesn't come with the cruise control buttons that are usually located right here on the regular USDM steering wheels. So I've been wanting to take it out for a while, but the only thing that keeps stopping me is the wire. However, I'm supposed to disconnect the cruise control. I'm not sure how, but fuck it, I'm gonna have to figure it out today. So to start off, I believe you have to take off a couple of 10 mils. There's one right here, 2, 3. That's all I could see right now. 3, and I guess 4 right here for this little bracket that's holding this wire that goes into the firewall. But I'm gonna get my tools out and get ready to start doing this. Alright, I just took these 3 out right now. Have them right here on the floor. Now let's see if this comes off. Yeah, it just slides off like nothing. Easy. So now I guess I'll just follow this through the firewall and then go to the gas pedal and try to disconnect the wire, take it out of the firewall. That's about it. So I gotta figure out what to do down in the pedal now. So I'm gonna figure it out and then I'm gonna try to record as best as I can to see, so you guys could see what to do. So this is the pedal right here, the gas pedal. Follow it up. It's really hard to film under here, so it's gonna be kind of weird. I'm using my phone too. This is the cruise control right here. This little thing, when you push it down, it pushes the pedal down. You can see. So there's the wire right there coming out of the firewall that's connected to the cruise control box, and this wire goes right here. So what I did is I put the pedal down and then this down at the same time. You push this all the way down and this is like connected some way, I don't even know how, but what I did, I put it down. I just started tugging back and forth, up and down, whatever, on this cable till it came loose from right here. I don't know how it's connected or whatever, but I just put this down. I just started messing with the cable and it eventually came out. So now I have to go back to the engine bay and take out the wire through the firewall. Alright, so I'm gonna take off this last little bracket that's connected to the cruise control right here. Take it off real quick. And then once I take that off right now, I'll start pulling the wire from the firewall. Alright, I took the screw out right here, came off. They're all 10s, by the way. All of these are 10s. And it's connected to this little clip right here too. So take that off as well right here from the bracket. And let me do that real quick. Alright, it took way too long to take this off of the firewall, this piece. I guess you just had to twist it. I didn't know that, or I don't know, but I put WD-40, I guess. I don't know, I think you just had to twist it. My fault. I even tried using fucking pliers to take it out, but I ended up slipping from this piece right here, and then I hit my strut bar, rest in peace. Made this little hole. I don't know if you could even see it. I see it though. That's all that matters. Right there. It wasn't here before. It was all clean. Oh well. So after take this off of the firewall, you have to disconnect this plug right here. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then everything should come out now. Alright, so I took the plug out right here, disconnected it from the cruise control box. Now everything is good to go. Let me put it over here in the light since it's getting dark. So that's how I took off the cruise control without, because I was seeing other people's videos, like before when I wanted to do it like a couple months ago, and everyone just cut this wire off. So they would like probably cut it off around the middle or something, or where the firewall is inside, and they wouldn't try to disconnect this piece right here. Won't focus because this camera sucks. But yeah, people would like just cut it off or anything. I didn't want to do that. I want to like have it all good, like undamaged, just like how I did today, just in case, you know, I sell the car later, which I doubt it, but if I sell it, I'll have this cruise control to give it to them. I ain't gonna put it back, hell no, but I'll just include it with the car or maybe sell it later. But yeah, just take off the cruise control. That's how you take it off. Now I'll probably zip tie this like this somewhere down here so you can't see it, but I just cleared up some area right here, some space on the engine bay. And probably the next thing I would do is take off the windshield wiper fluid, whatever, reservoir, which is this, and then these wires that go into here, probably take those off just to clean up some space right here. I think I have to do something with like a little computer module for the cruise control inside, but for now I'm gonna just do this since it's getting dark. I'll see what's up tomorrow if I have to do extra stuff for the cruise control, but just did this for now. Should I do it to the Civic? I don't know. Nah, I'm not touching the Civic that much, just keeping it all stock. It's nice since it doesn't have ABS, so it doesn't have this big old box right here. And then for the 94 to 97s, it's even bigger than that. But yeah, this is the video for today. Turn off cruise control later. And for the weight reduction, bros, that's 3 pounds right here. Might be off, might be not. 3 pounds of weight reduction, bro. So that's that. Doesn't feel like 3 pounds, more like 4 or 5 pounds. Probably like 4 or 5, yeah. But yeah, and I cleaned it up a little bit. Let me show you real quick. I closed the hood. Never mind. That's it. Like around 3 pounds.